Thanks for tuning in to this how-to video at AverageJoeRestoration.com. Today I'm going to install a turn signal switch on a 66 Mustang. I'm going to walk you through the steps to do that. It includes the entire wiring and an entire turn signal assembly. To follow up that video, I'm going to also install electroluminescent panels on the same car. We're going to walk you through that. These are great panels. There's also a couple other ways you can go to get some different lighting into your interior instrument panels. That's with some of the diffusers that are offered by Scott Drake. They have them in various colors: blue, green, red, I believe amber too. Those are good additions to your car if you don't want to go the luminescent panel. But today we're going to do the luminescent panels. Here's some of the basic tools you're going to need. Wire cutters, screwdrivers, steering wheel puller, breaker bar, and a socket. And that's about it. So we'll take you over to the car and we'll get started. Alright, so here I'm at the car. I'm getting ready to, in preparation to install this turn signal switch. So let's go ahead and get started. Remove the horn button here. Next we'll remove the nut from the steering wheel. Use a steering wheel puller to break the steering wheel off the column. Remove the turn signal arm. Cut the wires that come out of the steering wheel column. Remove the turn signal switch here. Pull the old turn signal switch and wiring out through the column. That's it. We've got the old switch out of the car. We're going to go over to the bench and prep the new one for installation, so it's easy. See you over at the bench. Alright, I've got the old turn signal switch out of the car. I brought the connectors over here to the bench with me. I want to show you how we're going to get these new wires, the old wires first of all, out and put the new wires in. What we have inside on this wire that we're going to take out of this connector is a small clip section right here on this. That's what holds the wire in. We're going to get into the connector, push that down, and pull the wire out. We're just going to do one here at the bench to demonstrate. We're going to do the rest inside the car once we feed the new wiring down through the column. So we'll go ahead and do this big yellow wire because we know that that's where that one's going to go. Alright. So you find that little tab in here with your small screwdriver, and you push that tab down into the body, and you pull the wire out. That's all there is to it. Now we're going to do a couple other things to prep this wire to go in. I'm going to wrap some duct tape around, or not duct tape, electrical tape around the ends of this so things stay nice and compact and they're protected as we're sliding them down the column. That's it. We're ready to put it back into the car. I'll see you over. Alright, we're over here back at the Mustang, ready to install the turn signal switch. One thing you want to do before you try to feed this wiring through here is to remove this lower collar. Now we're just going to drop the wiring through here. Send it down the inside of the column here. Alright, so it's in. We want to reattach our collar. Slide the turn signal switch into place. And secure the turn signal switch. Alright, looks like it's going to function properly. We have to replace the clips and wiring here. So I'm going to go ahead and crawl into the dash here and get going on that. Alright, so I've got the new turn signal switch installed. I've temporarily put the wheel on to make sure everything works. Make sure the blinkers go. Blinkers are working. Blinkers cancel out. Good as new. Pretty easy task. I hope you learned something. It'll help you out if you have a bad turn signal switch and it needs replacing. Watch the next video. We're going to go ahead and do the electroluminescent panels. We'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Before you start any electrical project on your Mustang, you should always disconnect the battery. Disconnecting the negative side of the battery is the best option. That way you don't throw a bunch of sparks if you're trying to take the positive side off first, which you shouldn't do. You should always take the negative side off first. So we'll disconnect our battery, then we can do just about any electrical repairs or replacements on our car.